Innovation isn't just about tech. It's about collaboration across expertise. And that's what we believe at Dassault Systèmes. My name is Rajesh. And with Asma, Anand, Sushma, and a few other colleagues, we have developed automatic robot detection. We built an AI that automatically detects and identifies objects from 3D scans.
Automatic robot detection started 6 years ago as a research challenge. How could we use AI to automate the creation of a factory's virtual twin? The first step for my team was to recognize objects that make up a factory, starting with the most complex one, the robots.
A factory scan captures millions of data points, forming a point cloud. Our team of developers here trained our custom AI model to identify which points represent robot, regardless of their shape, size, and configuration.
Real robot data is often scarce and sensitive, so we generated synthetic data from thousands of robot CAD models. Each robot was simulated in multiple configurations, creating a unique data set that taught our model how real robots look in 3D scans.
The model is integrated into Delmia plant layout design application, where engineers can automatically extract and detect robots from a factory scan in minutes instead of days.
As an engineering myself, I'm proud to see the solution, reducing time, cost, and human error. It leads engineers to focus on analysis and optimization rather than manual detection. For the manufacturers, streamlines workflows, helping them to update and optimize their assembly lines efficiently.
In manufacturing, safer, better, faster also means sustainable. Automatic robot detection truly shows how virtual twins extend and improve our real worlds. It's also a proof of what collaboration across brands, geos, and expertise can achieve.
Seeing experts from so many teams come together around one idea was amazing. And that collaboration is what turned an ambitious concept into a practical and impactful solution.
This is one of Dassault Systèmes' first live AI-powered solutions. This shows how teamwork helped us grow together, evolving our processes to deliver real-world, high-impact innovation.